So on a silver car or a white car, you'll see these little orange spots. They kind of look like rust. They come from your brakes, the little particles when you hit your brakes, little pieces of metal will come off and they'll stick onto your clear coat. And it is like a little piece of metal, so it starts oxidizing right away and it turns orange. So my car is rusting, and first thing I do is I walk everybody out to their bumper and I say, it's on your bumper. Your bumper is plastic, your car is not rusting. It's the little metal fleck that's on top of your clear coat that is. Very, very simple to get off, but when you notice it, all of a sudden you'll see it all over your vehicle. So if you have a white car or a silver car, you'll see it. If you have a black car, it's there, you're not going to see it. Blue car, you're not going to see it. That's what's very important, to remove any contamination that's on top of your clear coat. We do that down there as well. We also have products that we can get. You can buy products at Canadian Tire. The best thing is clay. It looks like silly putty, soap and water. Clay will remove any contamination that's on top of your clear coat. Clay can also work for pesky bugs as well.